So here's a tip I use on Moog basses, on the tune basses, to kind of control the distribution of energy in some section. Let's look at it. So this is the Reese bass. And the thing is that this filter macro is being automated. Let's listen to it just static. So it sounds quite dull. And this way, so what I'm doing, I'm just keeping the filter open for lower notes and a bit closer, a bit like more low pass on higher notes, and it makes the whole thing sound a bit more glued together instead of having these kind of weird jumps that sound too like stockish. And that's it. Just consider using this stuff on bass, on 808s, whenever, if you have like wild notes jumps and you want to kind of control that. You can kind of program it with the note feature, but I think that's like a lot of work for just doing simple stuff. You can just kind of place the filter, playing a note, then playing another one. You find the range in which we want the filter to move within, and just program it via automation. So that's it. Really simple thing. Consider doing this and you have smooth low ones. So hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.